The house is quiet tonight. Too quiet. That usually means someone is hungry and pretending they're not.
You wash the apples slowly, not because they're dirty, but because good food deserves a little respect.
Slow hands, better taste its time taking.
Every slice doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be kind. That's how home cooking works. Sugar for sweetness, cinnamon for warmth. Life needs both, and yes, sometimes a little extra sugar. The bowl is big. My hands are small. But I've learned something over the years. If it matters, you find a way to reach. Butter, flour, fingers. No recipe book ever taught me this part. This is something you learn by watching and being loved. Cover it gently. Every apple deserves a little warmth on top. No favorites here. Everyone gets the same love. Now we wait. Not because we have nothing to do, but because rushing never made anything better. It's ready. Still warm, still quiet, still enough to make someone feel like they're home.